While gold has shown a good swing yesterday from and traded between 1915 to 1935 levels, silver has traded mostly with a bullish bias and in fact has gone close to 2330. Remember, we had discussed that beyond 23 it is going to stay bullish and positively we may see 2320 levels. Beyond that, more bullishness may be seen. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take, and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, gold right now trading at 1918 levels. And first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, now see, earlier 1918 was a good support. With that as support, gold was, and we have seen it achieving higher highs. Now it has come below 1920 levels and now trading with the same resistance level. For the day, it is good to enter at 1922 and beyond that little more bullishness or a V-shaped recovery can be expected till towards 1930 and hence 1922 is a good level for entry. At the same time, we can see now one more point to note here is if you connect these two, you will find see higher highs 1930, 1935, higher lows 1910, 1915. If you just connect this, you will find a good parallel channel. So higher lows, higher highs are seen. It is still staying bullish, which means any break below 1915 and then 1910 should call for the bears and it is going to drop below those levels and hence you should be watchful of. Now see the moving averages are looking downwards, are indicating slight bearishness. Stochastic is back to overbought zone. MACD has seen a good drop here, now willing to convert. See, it has seen a fat belly here on the hourly charts and hence we are looking a conversion, which means a little greener candles is what we had seen. But let's see if it crosses over. RSI flat and on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. Higher lows are seen. Now see, look at the previous candle. See here it was getting a little resistance, higher lows are seen and hence as I said below 1915 you can sell here and expect 1910 levels. At the same time on the upside above 1922 is what I will look forward to a good buying entry. Beyond 1922, 1925, 1930 are two major resistances. Beyond 1930 sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic was oversold trying to look upwards. MACD trying to converge. RSI flat. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts as well. I will wait for the second green candle here. One green, second green candle might take it till towards 1922 or in fact 25 levels. Be watchful there. It's let it break past 1920 22 zone. More bullishness may be seen. Stochastic is oversold here. See, MACD here is also trading with extreme divergence. And if you look at the complete move, first wave, second wave, if you connect the dots, it has still got some room for it on the downside. Be careful. RSI flat and on the 4-hour. Now here also it is trading below all the moving averages, trading with divergence here is still indicating slight bearishness. Now wait for it to break past 1922, which is also the 20 and 50 period moving average. Beyond that only little more bullishness can be expected. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is starting a second wave here. It is still bearish. RSI flat and on the daily. Now on the daily charts, one more point to note. See here, higher lows, higher highs. Trading in this channel, this could be a reversal sign here. And since then it is trading in this channel. So it is very important to observe how it behaves at 1915 level. Below 1915, remember we are bound to take a very good red candle and then this could be the beginning of little more bearishness for next few sessions. Be careful here because see it has seen a pullback here from the higher levels. It has achieved the 20 period moving average and now looking forward to a pullback. So be careful at 1915 and 1910 levels here. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is in green but trading with very little divergence and RSI flat. Considering this, you can buy today at 1922 and sell at 1914 levels. I will say below 1914, 1910, 1900 and then lower levels can be expected. On the upside beyond 1922, first target 1925 and beyond 1925 you can expect 1930-32 zone as the first target and then 38-40 levels to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 10th of July. Couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. If you divide this into two, first of all, lower highs are seen. Second is the support. It is looking here at 2308 and $23 levels. Now remember, the resistance earlier at 2310 and 23 are now going to be the support levels. Also, you can see a base is created at 2280. Hence, this is very clear that the bearishness is only confirmed if it drops below 2280 level. See, on the hourly charts, moving averages are trading with divergence and are still in green and still indicating bullishness. Stock stick has dropped. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI almost flat. And on the 2 hour charts, after staying bullish here, we can see a pullback is seen in the previous candle. It is willing to look downwards. Possibly once you see it trading below 2305 and $23 levels, more bearishness may prevail here, and then one can look forward to higher lows and higher highs, which means 2290, 2285 levels. This is what I am trying to say here is higher lows, higher highs, staying bullish. 2290, 2280 levels are still going to remain. Now remember, only and only if it breaks below 2280 and the zone 2270, you can say that the bears are back. The stock stick looking downwards. MACD is in green. RSI is flat, and on the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows. Wait for it to break past 2305. You can expect 22. So 23 is also very good support. Then 2290, 2280 zone, and till 2270, do not treat silver as bearish. Till 2270, do not treat silver as bearish. You can see this why I am saying so. Now it is still trading in this bullish channel. The support is here at 2270 and 2280. Below that only further bearishness is going to prevail. Hence be careful till there. Stock stick near to top. MACD is in green. RSI looking downwards indicating slight bearishness. And on the 4-hour, now see on the 4-hour charts, it is still bullish. It traded outside Bollinger Bands, got a pullback. Also, if you look at the moving averages 20 and 50 are trading with divergence. This is still bullish. The price is divergent from the moving average, which means it can try to at max converge till toward this zone, which is at 2290. Now higher 2270, 2280, and now possibly it may create a higher low here, which means 2290. Stock stick flat, MACD is in green, RSI flat, and on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, drop, bottom here, then the retracement to the top of channel, drop, retracement to the top of channel from the middle of this. Now if it drops here, it is going to be a stronger one. Be careful here. And remember, on the upside, it has still got the possibility till 2350 levels. If it stays above 2320, you can buy again, then expect 2340, 2350 levels as the next target, which is a very, very strong resistance for silver as of now. Now see, also on the downside, one must not forget that it is giving higher lows, which means 2280 is still very, very strong support for silver. Hence, for the day, see the stochastic is near to top. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is flat. Also, look at the previous candle. It has tail, it has wick, and the body size is in green. Hence, if you see it trading above 2320, you can buy again. Expect 2340 or 50 levels. 50 is the next stronger resistance which it may try to achieve. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2305 levels. Below 2305, one can expect 2290. 2290 and 2280 are two greater supports for silver as of now. As it slides below 2280, little more bearishness may prevail, and once it drops below 2270, you can say that the bears will try to pull the prices further down very strongly, and hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. The next video will be up before the US session. Do watch that also.